So in some way, everybody has some kind of cancer. Only when it manifests physiologically, it becomes a medical issue.
कि एक ऐसा फैट है वो यदि कैंसर सेल तक पहुंचा दिया जाए तो कैंसर सेल कार्सिनोमा सेल वो समाप्त हो जाए। जोहन्ना बिडविल ने उस काम को आगे बढ़ाया और उन्होंने पता लगाया अलसी का तेल अगर कोल्ड प्रोसेस से निकला हो वो तेल अगर आप सुबह दोपहर शाम खा लिया खाने से पहले तो आपका पेशेंट श्योर।
How can you fight an enemy that you cannot see? And cancer is not somebody, you are the cancer. A part of you has turned against yourself. You can't fight it. What should I do? It is just that every human being, largely every human being, always in some way is working against himself or herself. If you created a moment of anger, you're working against yourself, isn't it? Today there's medical proof to show you. When you're angry, your whole chemistry is working against yourself. There's substantial medical proof. It doesn't need medical proof, one should know by experience. But if you're so insensitive, today we'll show you blood results. So if you're miserable, you're working against yourself. So in some way, everybody has some kind of cancer. Only when it manifests physiologically, it becomes a medical issue. Till then it's your problem, yes? Till then it's just your problem. When it physiologically manifests, it becomes a medical issue. Now that it's physiologically manifested, for variety of reasons, not for one particular reason, there are variety of reasons. Fighting is not the way. Fighting the cancer, not the way. Fighting for something and fighting against something are two different things, isn't it?
Flax seeds have been used in for centuries. Egyptians were one of the first people to make use of the flax crop. The flax fiber was used to make linen and then was shipped across the Mediterranean mainly to use as sails for ships. Later, the Romans also introduced linen manufacturing in a massive scale. Unfortunately, due to the decline of the empire and the emerging popularity of the cheap cotton from the United States, linen production soon lost its significance and came to a standstill. Today, flax seeds have become more and more available in the market, commonly known as alsi, tishi, agassi, and alividai. Nutritionists and scientists have over the year recorded multiple health benefits and nutrients that flax seeds have to offer. Found in most plants around the world, lignans are micronutrients which are found 800 times more in flax seeds. Acting as both antioxidants and weak phytoestrogens, flaxseed is found to hinder the growth of colon, breast, prostate, and skin cancers. Research shows that due to lignans being able to replicate the function of estrogen, they tend to bind themselves to cell receptors, thereby preventing cancer cells from replicating themselves. Furthermore, antioxidant properties also help to decrease damage caused by free-floating cancer radicals.
So does it not matter whether I live or die? It matters. That is why you must do it the way it works. If it matters, it's very important that you do it the way it works. Just because you're a brave man, you will fight and you'll die, that's no use. That's of no use to anybody, and that's not of no consequence to your life. You did the right things. Maybe you had it your way or maybe you did not have it your way, but at least you did the right things, that is most important. So, when death stares at you, it's the greatest possibility. I think already we've handled that. Because it's reminding you that you're mortal, which is not a simple thing. Most people have forgotten that they're mortal. They think it only happens to somebody else. Yes or no? Most people think death happens only to somebody else, not to them. No, it's going to happen to you and me. How it happens is different, but it's going to happen to you and me. So about how to deal with the cancer, I don't want to go into that now. If you come, we can help you, but first go through the allopathic treatment. It's the most aggressive and invasive treatment, but it's best to go through that rather than taking chances. But after that has happened, recovering from the treatment is a big challenge. There are many things that can do in the yogic system, it can be done. For cancer itself, it can be done, but the risk levels are so high and the time allowed is so little, so we wouldn't usually take a chance with that. It's best to go through the treatment and then do other things so that recurrence doesn't happen.
To receive free tips on food, health, diet, lifestyle, and Sadhguru's upcoming programs, you can join us on WhatsApp, Signal, and Telegram, or follow us on Instagram and Facebook by clicking on the link below.